Mint Mobile supports eSIM activation for compatible devices, but direct eSIM profile transfers between devices are not natively supported. eSIM stands for Embedded SIM, allowing wireless activation without physical SIM cards. Mint Mobile uses this for easy setup. Activation means setting up eSIM on a new device, which Mint supports. Transfer means moving an existing eSIM from one device to another, which Mint does not support natively. When attempting to transfer, you may see the error eSIM transfer not supported, because Mint's system doesn't allow direct transfers. This limitation comes from Mint's infrastructure as a mobile virtual network operator using T-Mobile's network, which focuses on security and initial setup rather than seamless transfers. Attempts to transfer via QR code or other methods typically fail, as shown in this example, because Mint doesn't support the transfer protocols. Don't worry, there are workarounds available for transferring your eSIM. This information is current as of September 2025. Here are your best options to transfer your Mint Mobile eSIM. First, you can try deactivating your eSIM on your old device via the Mint Mobile app and then reactivating it on your new device using a new QR code generated within the app. If that doesn't work, contact Mint Mobile customer support through chat or phone. They can manually unlink your old device and help you set up the eSIM on your new one. As a last resort, consider requesting a physical SIM card if available for your plan, or porting your number to a carrier with more robust eSIM transfer options. As of 2025, Mint Mobile is working towards better eSIM transfers and integration of Apple's eSIM transfer API for a potential future solution in 2026.